Hi, Jess. This is our second day home, and this is Mika. She's letting me take her out. She's doing really good. She's not biting or anything. There's Charlie. They seem to like each other, so I put them together. This is Thorn. He's by himself because I had to break up a couple fights between him and Riley. Riley's over here also by himself. He doesn't seem to like anybody else. But Mika doesn't seem to really like him very much. And here, pretty girl. And I haven't picked a name for him yet, but it's definitely a boy. He was trying to court her. And, well, they're all doing really good. They've all eaten. They're going to the vet tomorrow. I will let you know how that goes. But they're all doing good. Very, very happy. They all seem very happy too. I'll be sending pictures too. See ya!